Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use IONOS Website Builder. The IONOS Website Builder is designed to make creating a website simple, but if you don't understand what each step does, you'll end up with a generic site that doesn't really serve your purpose. First, go to your IONOS account and log in. You have two ways. You can either click on Start Building under the website section. You can also click your profile icon on the top right. Then, select My IONOS. This is how you access your website tools. It takes you to the Builder dashboard, where all site creation starts. You'll see a prompt asking for your website idea. Type something that aligns with the website you want to build and put it in detail. Then click Start Building. This step guides the AI template system. Next, type your site name. This becomes part of your branding. It appears on your website and helps define identity. Then IONOS will suggest industries based on your input. You can select all and click on Yes or choose specific ones. This affects your design and features. IONOS will then generate a sample website. What you'll see: homepage layout, images, and text, as well as structure of pages. This is your starting point, not the final product. You'll customize everything next. Then tap Edit. You'll enter the website editor. Inside the editor, you can change text, replace images, and add logos. You can add sections, rearrange elements, and remove unnecessary parts. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing. This is where your site becomes unique. It turns template into your actual brand. You access the website builder, defined your website idea, selected industry and structure, generated a template, and customized it in the editor. That's a full website creation workflow. To summarize, using the IONOS website builder involves logging in, starting a new site, entering your website idea, naming it, selecting an industry, previewing the generated design, and then customizing it in the editor. The real work happens in the editing stage. And that's how to use the IONOS website builder. The platform makes it easy, but the quality of your site depends on how well you customize it. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.